Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Snapchat account, and in today's video I will show you on how to add passkey to your Snapchat account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on setting icon. Go ahead and click on passkeys. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on add passkey. Go ahead and hit on continue. And in a few seconds, a passkey is going to be successfully created, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Snapchat account security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.